So one of you commented, may sahod na ba pagka mag-residency after ng med school? And the answer is yes. But then before you go into residency, you have your internship. Yun muna yung pag-usapan natin. With your internship kasi, sometimes may mga hospitals na nagbibigay ng stipend sa mga interns nila. Sometimes yung iba parang mga free food lang, ganyan. Meron akong alam na isang hospital na may kasamang bigas, may mga paganon sila sa mga interns nila. But then there are some na allowance lang, hindi sweldo, like way below the minimum wage. Now once you go into residency, may sweldo na. If you go into a government hospital, usually mas malaki yung sweldo doon compared sa if you go into a private hospital. Bakit ganon? Kasi if you go into a government hospital, technically may plantilla ka, plantilla position ka. Meron kang salary grade something and para kang government employee. So meron kang mga bonuses, meron kang mga 13th month, ganyan. But then if you go sa private hospital, doon ka mag-residency. Most of the private hospitals that I know, walang bonuses, walang mga overtime pay, and then yun nga, mas mababa siya usually. So bakit ka pa mag-a-apply sa private hospital kung mas mababa yung sweldo? It's because sa private hospitals kasi, usually, mas kumpleto yung gamit. And also, kapag ka nag-government hospital ka, kung halimbawa sabihin mong 3 times mas malaki yung sweldo mo than yung sinesweldo sa private, 3 times din yung dami ng pasyente mo, which means 3 times din yung dami ng trabaho mo. Kasama pa dun yung mga reporting mo, yung mga kailangan mo mag-review para sa mga exams, sa mga quizzes nyo, sa mga presentations mo, ganun. So, medyo mas matrabaho sa government hospital. But I'm not saying na madali yung buhay sa private. It's just that medyo mas madaming pasyente talaga sa government. Like, siguro naman gets nating lahat yun. But then yeah, if you're just gonna ask kung may sweldo ba, yes, meron namang sweldo. If you have any more questions, feel free to put it down in the comments. By the way, shout out ko lang yung Kairos Medwear. Thank you for sending me this pair of scrubs and I've been using it for a few duties now and sobrang ganda niya, sobrang light, ang gaan niya dalahin and then very versatile siya. Masarap siya gamitin sa ER kasi hindi mo inaalala kung baka mapunit or anything kasi very stretchable siya. So, thank you. If you are interested in availing some of their scrubs or checking them out, I have a yellow basket right here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.